Alright guys, so in today's video, we're going to do a very quick unboxing of the Xiaomi 14T Pro. I have both colorways here with me, the Titan Grey as well as the Titan Blue. So today's video is going to show you what's exactly in the box, what are you getting, and a very close-up look of the colors, just in case you are thinking of buying one. Let's head over to the desk. I'm going to bring the camera over here and let's go with the unboxing. Alright, so now that we are at the desk, let's do a very quick unboxing of the Xiaomi 14T Pro. Obviously, I've already sort of unboxed it, but let me show you what's actually in the box. So you will notice that on first glance, the box itself is already smaller than before. And first up, we do get this box of accessories. So inside, we have a couple of manuals, we have the case itself, and of course, we do get the Type-C cable. So that's basically what you get in the box. You of course also get the phone, but look at that, there's no more charger in the 14T Pro box. You're going to have to go and buy your own one, which will be sold separately. Alright, so this color here is the one in Titan Grey. Let's get it out again. And there you go, guys. This is the Xiaomi 14T Pro in Titan Grey. Like I said, in today's video, we're going to show, a very close-up look of which color you might want to go for. They do look very beautiful. On first glance, I think the grey, this model here looks fantastic. It's sort of like a silverish kind of hue. They say Titan, maybe because they want to resemble titanium, but it's not made of titanium. On the side, you have here flat frames. Beautiful, guys. I love these flat frames all the time, and this is what you get on the 14T Pro. It feels very nice in hand, and bear in mind at the back here, we do have a triple camera setup. The camera is the main star of the show. Alright, so let's bring them close up here so you can take a closer look. Essentially, you'll be getting a 50MP main sensor, another 50 megapixel telephoto lens, 2.6 times, not really that far, and a 12 megapixel ultra wide. Now, of course, we do have that Leica branding in there, and that's because it does support those Leica kind of look, the Leica vibe. Alright, so let's flip the phones to the front here and let's take a quick look at the displays. Now, at the front, we do have a very beautiful display. This is 144 Hz, by the way, so everything is going to be super smooth. And if you take a closer look at the bezels as well, they're fairly slim, although I'm not sure if they are actually symmetrical at all around. Let me know what you guys think about the bezels. Very slim, it still looks fantastic on the front, and apparently it goes up to 4000 nits, so it can withstand very strong levels of brightness if you are outdoors. Now, the key highlight in here is also the processor. This is powered by the Dimensity 9300 Plus chipset, and the performance is actually similar to that of a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. So you're going to expect some, pretty strong performance coming from this phone. Doesn't matter if you're buying it just for the cameras or if you are going to game on it or if you're going to use it on a daily, it's going to be powerful, really powerful. Now, the battery itself is a 5000 mAh unit and it supports 120 watt fast charge. But unfortunately, you're going to get your own charger because again, there's only the cable in the box. It's a Type A to Type C cable, the custom one from Xiaomi. By the way, the phone itself also supports 50 watts of wireless charging using Xiaomi's own wireless charger again, which you have to purchase separately. But yeah, at least there's wireless charging supported on board. Alright guys, so that's basically a very quick look at the brand new Xiaomi 14T Pro. The price here in Malaysia is going for, you have to check it out tomorrow because that's when the official price lands. With that said, thank you for watching today's video. I'll post another full review, a follow-up tomorrow, testing out the cameras. Don't forget to drop a like and sub to the channel. Share this with a friend if your friend is looking to get a brand new device. Thank you for watching all the way to the end. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care, stay safe, and bye-bye.